This is just a quick example of cement strap pointing over stone, and doesn't it look just horrible? And then if you pan out, you can have a look at the stone wall. There you go, on a little timber frame building. And if you go back in again, you'll see where I've been taking bits of it off and going back to the original line work. And here we've got lovely stonework. We've got a thin joint there, mortar joint. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. I don't really know why this cement's been put on. You take that off and you can see that underneath it we've got very nice line pointing, and wherever the cement, you'll see here, there, that stone is disintegrating because of the cement pointing, which is trapping moisture into the wall. As a result, it's getting wet, and once it gets wet, you get into this winter freeze thaw cycle and the stone disintegrates. So the moral of the story here is never ever point stonework with cement. If you do, you will get this disintegrating of the stone, and you can see wherever you look here, if you look closely at some of these, this stone here, look, you can see how the stone is literally disintegrating and it's falling off. So there's a piece of disintegrating stone there, and there, look, and all of that is being caused by the cement pointing. A bit more here, look, you see there's cement. I'll flick this off, but you can see it beginning to move, and that cement has trapped moisture, and as it's trapped moisture, the stonework in winter is freezing and it's splitting to pieces, and here we have great bits of it just falling off. And going back to the original stonework, and really the original stonework is very pretty, and this lime mortar is extremely good. It's very soft lime, it's softer than the stone itself, and that is really good. That's what we look for, very soft lime which can self-sacrifice. That's the term we use. It's sacrificial, so the wall will lose moisture through the mortar joint, not through the stone. If it loses moisture through the stonework, then this is the inevitable result. The stone disintegrates. So what we don't want is for the wall to lose its moisture and breathe through the stone. What we want it to do is to breathe through the lime mortar, and if this lime mortar all falls out, that's great, it doesn't really matter, we can repoint it and it'll be back to normal. It's not much use trying to point with cement and have entire pieces of stone just fall off. All of this is just disintegrating, and that's because of the cement. Once that stone disintegrates, you can't replace it, so that's not good at all. So there you go, yet another wall, yet another problem, all because of cement.